guys, Cassie here. Today we're gonna do some stretches in bed for self-care, for flexibility, and in general just relaxing and feeling good. I think too often we get stressed out, we hold everything in our bodies, we go to sleep with that same anxious feeling, and then you wake up not relaxed because you didn't have a nice deep sleep. And something that we don't talk about a lot is how important sleep is to your health and wellness. You see, we always talk about nutrition, eating clean. We always talk about fitness, working out, being active. But the third pillar that we're all missing is sleep, because if you eat well and you work out but you don't sleep, you're not gonna see any results. Trust me, I've had moments in my life where I would try to squeeze in a workout at 12 a.m., 1 a.m., and it was totally pointless. I might as well have just not worked out. That is how important sleep is. So today I'm gonna show you some stretches that will get you ready for bed, increase your flexibility, and make you feel really, really good so that you can really get into that nice deep sleep. Okay, so all you need is to be in your PJs right now and have some pillows, which obviously are on your bed. So I think we are ready to start. So we're gonna start out by really stretching out your back. We hold so much here. So I want you to go ahead and come into a mermaid position just like so. And I want you to twist over, hand coming over that knee, and open up your chest, pressing your wrist into the part above your knee, and really just open up your chest and neck and hold right there. If you're really pushing, you're definitely gonna feel it in your triceps, your chest, in your back, and even right here in your hip. So hold that. And breathe in through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Maybe twist a little more, if you can, looking towards the back of your bed. In 3, 2, 1, relax. Okay, now go ahead and switch over, mermaiding on the other side. Go ahead and place that wrist over your knee and sit up really tall. Breathing in through your nose, exhaling through your mouth. And then looking towards the back of your bed, twisting a little more. Do you feel that? I feel it all right here, and it's such a gentle stretch. But my body is saying that we need it. Inhale and exhale. Okay, really good. So now we're gonna stretch out your legs. So what I want you guys to do is bring one leg out, keep this one bent, and you're gonna reach forward onto your elbows. Now, if you feel like you're curling your back or you can't get that low, this is what the pillows are for. So 1 or 2 pillows, totally up to you, okay? And all you're gonna do is place your arms right here and just relax on top of it, okay? Making sure that your back is arched or flat, but not hunched, okay? So I'm gonna take these out because I don't need them, and we're just gonna relax right here, okay? Chin on your hands, flex, point, flex, point, flex, hold point. Beautiful. Now go ahead and lift yourself up. We're gonna go for the other side, extending that leg, bringing this one in. And I love how cushiony the bed is because it allows my joints to just relax. If you're on a hard surface or even your yoga mat on a hardwood floor, it's just a lot of pressure on your joints. So here, it's bedtime. You're here to relax. You're not gonna push yourself and go hard. These aren't like bedtime burpees because that doesn't make any sense. Just gonna relax. Point and hold. And bring it up. Okay, now we're gonna get a little bit more flexy, okay? Because the farther we get along into this routine, the more flexible you're gonna become. So you can start right here on your hands, legs out wide in a straddle. If you're feeling more flexible, onto your elbows. If you're feeling really flexible, go ahead and bring those hands out towards the edge of the bed, okay? Again, keeping that back flat. I don't care if you're up here. I'd rather you be right here than down here and hunched. Okay? Flatten the back so you can feel your inner thighs, really opening up. I like to hold on to the edge of the bed, point my toes hard, inhale and exhale. Nice. A little bit more, sink down lower. So good. Now go ahead and slide yourself back up. And then I want you to bring your feet forward. We're gonna go into a pike, okay? So, flex, point, making sure you're sitting really, really tall here. And then point, and I want you to walk your hands towards your ankles, okay? If your hamstrings are tight, maybe this is as far as you go. Again, the back needs to be flat. Holding behind your feet, wiggle your sit bones so that you can get a little deeper. Now, if this is too much, what I want you to do, again, grab your pillows, put them right here so that you have a place to rest your chest, okay? Because it can be a lot pulling down. So up to you. If you need the pillows, put them here. If you don't, take them away. And I want you to inhale and exhale, melt your chest down. Lengthen your neck, crown of the head towards your toes, pointing the toes, feeling the hamstrings. Allowing that low back to really stretch out. 3, 2, and slowly lift up. Okay, it's time to do some hips. So, you guys are familiar with the pigeon, I'm sure, in yoga. This time we're gonna do it on the bed, and we're gonna use our pillows to really sink down deep. It's gonna feel so good. Okay, so 1 or 2 pillows, totally up to you. Maybe I'll do 2 to start off with. As you get more flexible, you will need less pillows. So you're gonna bring your leg right over the pillow, just like so, okay? You're gonna sit into it, bringing that knee into a 90-degree angle right here. Trying to straighten that leg behind you. You're just gonna sit. Sit, sit, sit. You'll feel it in your lower back. You'll feel it in your hips, okay? It feels so good right now. And I don't feel bad about not, touching the floor because I'm touching the pillow. I feel good and I'm sinking in. The more you relax, the more you're gonna sink in. Good. And if you feel like this is too high for you, like you're more flexible, go ahead and take one out. I'm gonna take one out. Let's see how that feels. Take that out. Okay. That actually feels better for me. I kind of felt like I was hoisted up. And then you are going to reach forward. Yes. Lengthen that back leg, making sure it's straight. And just inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. This is so much gentler than doing it again on a yoga mat, on the floor. This feels like you're just sleeping into it, which is what we're getting ready for. We're getting ready for bed. Now, go ahead and come up. We'll switch on to the other side. If you need 2, go ahead and put 2 pillows. I think I'm just gonna use 1. And you're sitting on the pillow. Your crotch is literally on your pillow, okay? Lengthen that leg and tall. Opening up chest, lengthening the spine, crown of the head towards the ceiling. Beautiful posture, okay? You don't want to slump. And now, if you're ready, I'm gonna go ahead and melt down. Melt, melt, melt. Lengthening that back, allowing your hip to just open. Don't let it hold you back. Let it go. Inhale, exhale, and that's what sleep is. It's letting go, going into dreamland, not holding all that tension, just let it go. Maybe it's uncomfortable, but that's okay because you got to push past the comfort to get where you need to go. So, so good. Okay, since we're here, let's do a little bit of a quad stretch, okay? So I want you to grab onto that back foot and I want you to bring it in as much as you can, okay? Here. Now that's a lot. I know it's intense, but we gotta stretch out those quads. They hold a lot of tension. Holding. 3, 2, relax into it, and 1. Very, very good. Now let's go back and do the other side, okay? So, well, ooh, bed is squishy. But I like me a squishy bed. Do you guys like squishy beds or firm beds? I like really squishy, but my mom really likes firm beds, and I tried to sleep in her bed once, and that was weird because it felt like a wooden platform. But she says she likes it for her back. Okay, pulling that leg in. Tall back. Don't resist. Get okay with that discomfort. In 3, 2, 1, and down. Okay, so good. Now you guys, since we're already in this position and you're kind of primed for a split, we're gonna do a mini split, okay? Now, here's where that second or third or fourth pillow comes in handy. I want you to go ahead and put as many pillows underneath you as you think you need, okay? And then we're simply going to slide out. Now look, it is okay to keep that back knee bent if this split is not comfortable for you. Now this would be pretty much impossible to do on a regular floor because it would hurt your knees. On the bed, it feels like you're in a split, right? And for those of you who are feeling super flexible, go ahead and straighten out your front leg and your back leg. And if you don't need that pillow, well, go ahead and take it away and head into that split. There you go. Splits on your bed. Hands to the side, looking up. And then melting forward. Good. Ease into it. Breathing into the nose. Exhaling through the mouth. And slowly walking it up to the other side. So go ahead and put that leg back. Bring this one forward again. If you need the pillows, stack it up. If you don't, cool, no worries. As flexible as you are is how much I want you to push yourself in this routine, okay? So go ahead and ease into that split and appreciate how soft your bed is because my knees are just loving it right now. They don't feel anything, which is great. Hands to the outside, fingertips down, opening up that chest, lengthening the legs, lengthening the back. Inhale, exhale. And I want you to melt down onto your leg. Long leg, long back, long neck. Breathing in through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Good. Now, go ahead and come up, and then I want you to lay down, okay? Almost done with your bedtime stretches routine. Hands forward, tuck that chin in, and slowly roll down with control and grab right above the knees right here, hugging into the chest. And then while you're pressing the feet together, I want you to lengthen the legs. Now, some of you may stay here, slightly bent, and some of you can go straight if your hamstrings are feeling loose right now, okay? The important thing is to try to keep the thighs as close to the chest as possible. And again, that's okay if you can only get right here, okay? It's better than going here and doing some crazy stuff. So hold and lengthen. Hold and lengthen. Back pressed into the soft bed. And this one we're gonna hold, okay? You are going to hold. And then now, if you can, bring your elbows towards your calves. Bring it up towards your ankles and really press yourself in. Obviously, this part is optional, but if you really want to feel that stretch, go ahead and come right here. You can also just hold your legs right here. That's okay too. But I'm going to do this, really holding. I've been taking a lot of stretch classes, so my flexibility has gotten a lot better, which I'm really, really excited about. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling through your mouth. Good. Now give it a nice little push. Bring the legs down, and then what I want you to do is go ahead and grab your pillows, place them to the outsides of your thighs, place the soles of the feet together, and just let the knees open up into a butterfly. Relaxing into that butterfly. You're gonna bring your arms up like this, whatever feels comfortable for you. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling through your mouth. If you don't need the pillows underneath your knees, you can take them out. This is if you're feeling pretty tight here, but having the pillows there is really nice. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. One more time, inhale, and exhale. And then go ahead and roll over onto one side, place your hands here, and go to bed. Good night.